Hi everyone, I'm doing a grocery haul for my Whole30 week 1. There's not a lot of stuff because I had a lot of meat in my freezer, leftover chicken and all that. So this is just to like supplement what I already have. So I got some organic eggs, pineapple, bag of lemons. This is just some peppercorns, the chicken apple sausage, some mushrooms, sweet potatoes, mustard seed ground. This is to make like your own condiments. Some Lar bars. This is the cashew cookie and the apple pie. My favorite is the cashew cookie. Some red skin potatoes. I'm not really eating these. I got them for Easter. And some Chinese eggplant for curry. Some artichokes, which were on sale. And I made some Whole30 approved mayo, so that will be good with that. Some zucchini. Some frozen whole leaf spinach. 2 of these containers of organic free-range chicken broth, low sodium. It didn't really have anything that I didn't think was not approved. See if I can focus. Chicken broth, water, onion, celery, carrots, natural flavors, spices, and sea salt. So I think that's okay. And I got this to try. This is some organic tomato condiment, no sugar added, to substitute ketchup. The ingredients. Anytime now. Okay. Organic tomato puree, tomato paste, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, spices, dehydrated onion, and dehydrated garlic. So, yep. And this stuff is not for me. Some baby formula. And I got this nose Frito thing. These are from Whole Foods, by the way, if you haven't figured that out. The other one's from Costco. And some of this instant oatmeal for my son, to try. And that's everything. Thanks for watching.